Hey y'all, I am back for another wig review for y'all. This wig comes from Ashimary. I think that's how you say it. This is everything that comes in the bag, and I cannot wait to show y'all this new thing. I love them for this. This is their melting band. Those black pads that you're about to see, they go over your ears. And when I tell you that is a game changer for when you're actually gluing your wigs down, I freaking love that thing. This is the bob that I got. I believe it was either 14 or 16 inches. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and I believe this was a side part. It comes with the elastic band in the back and two combs on behind or on the side of each ear. They are removable, and then a removable comb in the back. So off camera, all I did was put the unit on. I took some of my spray, and I'm going to show you the spray in a minute. Glued it down. You can wear this glueless, but I never wear my units glueless because I am paranoid. As you can see, I believe I put some makeup in the parting space because I needed it to melt a little bit or blend a little bit more with my skin complexion. And I'm about to get to styling this thing for you all. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking some of this lace tint powder, and I'm putting it on the lace that's attached or secured to my forehead, because when I lift my forehead back or up, you can see not the lace, but you can see a little halo ashiness. And that is just, letting other people know you got a wig on. So in order to get rid of that ashy halo effect, you take the powder foundation or lace tint, and you lift your head up. You put it in the places where you are seeing that little halo. It should be a shade darker than your skin complexion, your foundation color. So I'm just taking it and I'm putting it in the places where I can see that little halo. Friend, let me tell you something. This spray right here is by Kiss. It's 20 times hold. When I tell you less than 15 seconds and my wig is not going anywhere, it is not going anywhere. 10 seconds, if I have my fan on and I put it towards the spray, I can put my wig down and it's not going anywhere in like 15 seconds. Put that band on for 30 seconds, especially with the band from Ashimary, and I really hope I'm saying their name right, but yeah, go get this spray because it's freaking amazing. Get rid of your got to be glue. Don't use nothing else. Don't use nothing else to spray down your wigs. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So all I'm doing is taking that lighter shade of my lace tint and I'm putting it into the parting space. I don't know what you girlies be doing, but I don't use, for my scalp, I use my scalp complexion. I don't use my foundation color, the same color as my face. I don't do that. I don't understand it because my scalp is not that complexion. You want the most realistic look? Take a shade, maybe even two, lighter than your skin complexion. And I promise you, with the lace spray, the Eben lace tint spray, whatever that Eben lace tint spray, that stuff, and the Red by Kiss foundation lace tint powder I used. Those three things are the only thing you need in order to get a good lace, good wig lay down. You know what I'm trying to say. I love this bob. I'm a bob girly. You saw my hair in the beginning. I had my silk press done. Babes, I'm telling you, I love this wig. I have had this wig, been wearing this wig consistently for 3 weeks, and I have no problems. I didn't have to do what I'm doing now, which is trying to put a little bump in it. I didn't have to do that, but I'm a little extra, so your girl wanted to be a little extra. I was trying to get me a little, swoop to swoop for the front. It ain't really work, because I don't know how to do that. So, it curled a little bit, but I don't know what I'd be doing with my own hair, let alone this wig. But yeah, you really don't have to bump the ends or anything because, well, you may have to because of the packaging it did. You gonna have to take, you know what I'm trying to say, the crimps, the bends. You're gonna have to fix those bends. So you are gonna have to straighten it just a little bit just to get those packaging bends out of it. And as you can see, I'm still trying to get that little swoop to swoop thing in the front. Girl, ain't work, but I tried. Girl, wig wear, flat wear. When I say I love this hair, it is so flowy, movie. You couldn't tell me this wasn't my hair. I was rocking this bob and still rocking this bob. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.